Hello, welcome to Got Clutter, Get Organized, the Conversation. I'm excited to be here with you today because today I'm going to give you 10 ways to get organized for the upcoming holiday season. So, of course, you can sit back and listen. You can share this with a family member or friend. And, of course, you can also take notes if you'd like. So, let's get started. So, number one on my list is create a holiday budget. This is so important because you want to make sure you have a budget not only if you're going to be entertaining. Maybe you're just going to be having an intimate family dinner. Maybe you decided you need some new decorations, or of course you're going shopping for gifts. But making sure you have those budgets because those budgets will help you stay in line with your financial goals and you won't get overwhelmed and you won't overspend. Number two, let's declutter the home. Begin to look at those spaces in your home that are full of clutter because one, you want to of course, make your home inviting this holiday season, but also you want to make sure the home is inviting just for you. So look at those corners, maybe those countertops, maybe even those closets because you're going to have people coming in and you're going to be hanging up their coats, or maybe they just want to be able to just sit comfortably somewhere in your home. So think about decluttering your home. Number three, make a gift list because you know what that does? It helps you stay on budget. And also it helps you decide, do you need to order things online now? Do you need to go to a store? What do you need to do? I know some of you probably had a list already made out earlier this year because you start your list soon a year ahead of time. But make sure you have that list so you can stick to it and stick to your budget. Number four, organize those decorations. Because a lot of you have probably already started thinking about how you're going to organize the spaces inside and outside your home, but begin to organize them. Like these are the outside decorations, these are the inside decorations, these are the bathroom. Because see, I know a lot of you decorate every single room in your home, and it's really good to actually have them organized and also see possibly what you need to declutter there as well. So think about that because and it'll make it so much easier when you begin to do the breakdown that you'll have all the bathroom decorations together, all the interior, exterior, all of that. It makes it a lot easier. And check for the damages as well. Planning the holiday menu. You want to stay within budget. Maybe you are having people over for an intimate dinner, or maybe you're going to have a nice little party. What is your budget? Because if you want to stay within a specific budget, by planning out early your menu, you'll know, okay, this is something we can include in the budget. This is something we maybe need to kind of have a substitute for. Because again, it's all about enjoying the holiday season and not being stressed out because you just blown the budget again. Number four, the holiday. Number five is planning menu. See, I'm getting excited here. Number six, the scheduled holiday events. This is where you need to take out your calendar and plan. So you already know, you know what, Janet, I'm hosting an event. Great. So of course you put the date of the event, but then what do you need to do leading up to the event? Making sure you put that time into your calendar. And of course, maybe you're working, maybe you're running a business. You have to make sure you take that time into consideration as well because you don't want to be so exhausted this holiday season that you can't even enjoy it yourself. So making sure you do those things because then you'll know what you can and cannot do, what needs to be on your schedule, and what you need to take out of your schedule in order for you and your family to enjoy your holiday. Number seven, prep guest spaces. Maybe you're having somebody stay overnight, and maybe it may be even longer. But making sure those spaces where they just have the space where they can have a good night's sleep. If they're staying for a extended period of time, will they have a space to at least hang their clothes, put their clothes, maybe their toiletries, and just making sure you declutter those spaces. And of course, number eight, order those cards early. Actually, order your cards now. Not only your cards, but also your stamps. So that when you get the card, you'll have the stamps and you will be ready to just send them off. And of course, number nine, wrap as you go. So when you get that online order or you've shopped for that item, schedule time shortly after to wrap it so that you're not spending all of your time and energy just wrapping all of your gifts. Now, of course, some of you may enjoy that, and that may just be part of the process. But of course, some of you have so many things on your schedule that you really needed to have scheduled time to do that. And then, of course, number 10 is plan to give back. What are some ways you can give back? Can you donate your time, maybe to an organization, to a neighbor, to a friend, to a family member? Let's think about giving back. Yes, we want to be able to just give people some of the gifts, things that they've wanted, that they need, but also sometimes, a lot of times, people just need our time and maybe our talent. One of the things I like hearing is a lot of times parents now, what they're doing is around this time of year, they ask the children, think about a couple of things that you no longer want to play with. Because what we're going to do is we're going to give them to kids who may not be able to get toys and things under their Christmas tree. And therefore, not only do they have the children decide, but a lot of times they say, we're going to just drop it off at the organization. So it gets them in that spirit of giving as well. So let me recap 10 ways to get organized for the upcoming holiday season. Create a holiday budget. Number 2, declutter your home. Number 3, make a gift list. Number 4, organize those decorations. Number 5, plan your menu. Number 6, schedule holiday events. Number 7, prep guest spaces. Number 8, order cards early. Number 9, wrap as you go. And number 10, plan for giving back. Now, these are 10 things you can do this holiday season to be more organized. And what you can do so you're not overwhelming yourself. Maybe just do one thing. It could be a week, every couple of days. First thing you can sit down, you know what, today, Janet, I'm going to at least create my holiday budget, but I'm also going to actually plan out my menu. Because once I know what my budget is, I can plan out my menu. And then, of course, schedule a day to declutter your home. Schedule time to make that space special for that guest. So making sure you schedule time to do these tasks. Well, thank you for joining me. So until next time, you continue to have a clutter-free day, but most of all, have an organized